8.4 simple harmonic motion, and uniform circular motion. Here I am taking x-axis, y-axis. Here it is origin. Here I am taking a circle of radius a. Let us consider a particle P moves with a constant angular velocity omega along circumference of a circle in anti-clockwise direction. So here the position vector of particle P is OP bar. Here OP bar make an angle with x-axis, that is theta. Here the how we can find theta value? By the definition of angular velocity. So here angular velocity omega is equal to the rate of change of angular displacement d theta. So from this d theta can be written as omega into dt. Integrate on both sides. So integration d theta is equal to omega into dt. Here omega is constant angular velocity. So integration of d theta is equal to theta, that is equal to omega into integration of dt t is equal to, that is t. So here we are doing integrations. If we do integration, in the result we have to take a integration constant, so that is pi. So here theta is equal to how much? Omega t plus pi. So here theta is equal to omega t plus pi. Here the projection of the position vector OP is on the x-axis is OP dash. So the position of the P dash on the x-axis is, it is x of t. So here how we can find x of t value? So here x of t is equal to, if we resolve OP bar into two components, along x-axis, along y-axis. So theta is this side. So this component is a cos theta. So here x of t is equal to how much? It is a cos theta. Theta is equal to omega t plus pi. So the projection of the position vector OP bar on the x-axis is OP dash. If P moves uniformly on a circle, its projection P dash moves to and fro about origin along the x-axis. So here if P moves here to here, if particle is here, the projection of the particle P is here, P dash is here. So if P is here, P dash is here. If P is here, P dash is here. So if P particle move here to here, the projection P dash move here to here. If particle P move here to here, its projection P dash move here to here. If particle is here, the projection P dash is here. If particle is here, the projection P dash is here. So if particle P move here to here, the projection move here to here. If particle is moving here to here, the projection P dash move here to here. So if particle is here, the projection is here. If particle is here, the projection is here. So if particle P is move here to here, the projection P dash is move here to here. So if particle move uniformly in a circle, the projection P dash move to and fro about origin. So here projection P dash execute simple harmonic motion. Here P moves uniformly on a circle. Here projection P dash execute simple harmonic motion on a diameter. Here the projection of position vector OP bar on the x-axis is OP dash. So here OP dash is equal to x of t, that is equal, if we resolve OP bar in two component along x-axis, along y-axis. So along x-axis the component is A cos theta. Theta is equal to omega t plus pi. Suppose if I am taking the projection of position vector OP bar on y-axis, so it is here, it is P dash. So the projection vector OP dash is equal, here it is y of t. So here how we can write y of t? Y of t is equal, so this component along y-axis, the component of OP bar is how much it is? It is A sin omega t plus pi. Here P move uniformly on a circle. P dash execute simple harmonic motion on a diameter of circle along y-axis. 8.5 velocity and acceleration in simple harmonic motion. Here particle P move on circumference of circle in anti-clockwise direction. The projection of particle P on x-axis is here P dash. So if particle P move in anti-clockwise direction with velocity v, so that is it is in tangential direction, that is v is equal to omega into a. So the velocity of P dash is towards the origin or towards the mean position, that is v of t. So we have to find v of t value. So here we have v is equal to omega into a, and we know that x of t is equal to a cos omega t plus pi. So we have to find v of t. So here velocity is the rate of change of displacement, d by dt of x of t, the rate of change of displacement. So that is called d by dt of, here x of t is equal to how much? A cos omega t plus pi. So here differentiation of cos a cos omega t plus pi with respect to time. So here it have two functions. So one is cos, let us take omega t plus pi is equal to theta. It is a cos theta, and another function is omega t plus pi. So we have to do two times differentiate. So here a is constant, let us take outside. So here differentiation of cos theta. So here differentiation of cos theta is equal minus sin theta. Differentiation of sin theta is equal cos theta. So here differentiation of cos theta is equal how much? It is minus sin theta. Theta is equal omega t plus pi. So here we have another function, that is omega t plus pi. So what is the differentiation of omega t plus pi with respect to time? So here omega is constant. Let us take as it is. The differentiation of time with respect to time is 1. So here pi is constant. The differentiation with respect to time is 0. So omega into 1 omega plus 0 is omega. So here it is omega. So here it is omega. So finally velocity of projection particle p dash is v of t is equal to minus a omega sin omega t plus pi. We know that a is equal to v square by a. Here v is equal to omega a. Omega square into a square. So a cancel. That is called omega square a. So here it is x axis. It is y axis. The particle move on circumference of a circle. So here particle p. So what about its acceleration? So the acceleration of the particle is always towards the center. So the direction of acceleration is always towards the center. So the projection of particle p is on x-axis is, here it is p dash. So what about acceleration of the particle p dash? So it is towards the mean position. That is also a of t. A of t is also towards the mean position. So here we have to find a of t. So here a of t acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So the rate of change of velocity. So d by dt of, here velocity is known value. How much? It is minus omega a sin omega t plus pi. So here minus omega a constant, take outside, minus omega a. Here differentiation of sin theta. So here differentiation of sin theta is, that is called cos theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So here differentiation of sin theta is differentiation of sin theta. Let us take this is theta, that is called cos theta, cos omega t plus pi. Here we have another function, that is omega t plus pi. So what is differentiation of omega t plus pi with respect to time? So here omega is constant, take as it is. The differentiation of time with respect to time is 1, plus here pi is constant. The differentiation of constant with respect to time is 0. Omega into 1, 1 omega plus 0. Omega plus 0, omega. So that is omega into omega. So that is omega square. Finally, a of t is equal minus omega square a into cos omega t plus pi. So here a of t is equal minus omega square. Here a cos omega t plus pi is equal to how much? It is x of t. So if particle p dash executes simple harmonic motion, which condition is satisfied? So acceleration is always directly proportional to displacement in magnitude and opposite in direction. So here acceleration is always proportional to displacement and it is in opposite direction. So here acceleration is always towards the mean position. So the particle execute, here p dash execute simple harmonic motion. So here a of t is equal acceleration at time t is equal minus omega square x of t. Here acceleration always directed towards mean position. Let us put pi is equal to 0. So we can get x of t is equal a cos omega t plus pi. Pi is equal to 0. So here a cos omega t. V of t is equal minus omega a sin omega t. A of t is equal minus omega square a cos omega t. So let us draw a graph x of t versus time t, v of t versus time t, a of t versus time t. So here it is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Here it is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, here it is 2 pi. Here it is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, here it is 2 pi. So on y-axis, here it is x of t, on x-axis, here it is time t. So here it is v of t, it is time t. Here is a of t, it is time t. So here amplitude is plus a to minus a. Here amplitude is plus omega a to minus omega a. Here amplitude is omega square a to minus omega square a. So generally cos functions varies minus 1 to plus 1. Here cos pi is equal to minus 1, cos 0 is equal to 1. So here cos 0, omega t is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into a, here it is a. Cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, 0 into a, here it is 0. Omega t is equal to pi, cos pi is equal to minus 1. So here it is minus a. Cos 3 pi by 2, pi plus pi by 2, cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0, 0 into a is 0. Here 2 pi, omega t is equal to 2 pi, cos 2 pi is 1, 1 into a, here it is a. So the graph is like this. Here time period is t. So time taken for one oscillation, time period is t. So here v of t versus t. So sin 0 is 0. So 0 into minus omega a is 0. So here t is equal to 0. Here it is 0. If sin pi by 2, it is 1. 1 into minus omega a, minus omega a. Sin pi is equal 0. 0 into minus omega a is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means pi plus pi by 2. So that is called sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. So that is called minus 1. Minus 1 into minus omega a. So plus omega a. Sin 2 pi is 0. So the graph is like this. So here also time period is t. So see the a of t versus t curve. So here omega t is 0, cos 0 is 1. 1 into minus omega square is minus omega square. Here it is here. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into something, here it is 0. Cos pi is equal minus 1. Minus 1 into minus omega square, it is plus omega square. Cos 3 pi by 2, so pi plus pi by 2, cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 into something, here it is 0. So cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is equal to how much? It is 1. 1 into minus omega square is minus omega square. So the graph is like this. So here also time taken for one oscillation is also same time period. So here x of t, v of t, a of t have same time period but different amplitude. So here amplitude is a, here amplitude is omega a, so here amplitude is omega square a, but so they have say different phase constant. They have different phase. Here x of t, v of t, a of t have same time period but different amplitude. So here amplitude is a, here amplitude is omega a, here amplitude is omega square a, and also different in phase. So here it is start from here, here it is start from here, here it is start from here. So these three curves have different phase. So here x of t, v of t have phase difference pi by 2. So here x of t is got how much? A cos omega t. V of t is how much? Minus omega a sin omega t. So it can be written as omega a into cos pi by 2 plus omega t. So here omega a into cos pi by 2 plus omega t. So pi by 2 plus omega. So it is second quadrillate. In second quadrillate cos is minus. So it is cos pi by 2 plus omega t is minus sin omega t. So here minus sin omega t. So here what is phase difference? So here it is omega t, here it is omega t plus phi. So what is the phase? So what is phase difference? So here phase difference is pi by 2 plus omega t minus omega t. So that is pi by 2. So here x of t, a of t have phase difference is pi. Here x of t is how much? It is a cos omega t. A of t is what? Minus omega square a cos omega t. So it can be written as omega square a into cos pi plus omega t. So cos pi plus omega t is minus cos omega t. So here what is here? It is omega t, here it is pi plus omega t. So how much it have phase difference? Pi plus omega t minus omega t. Omega t cancel. So here phase difference is pi. So here x of t, v of t have phase difference pi by 2. X of t, a of t have phase difference Fine.